So next exercise that we will be doing is to show you an example of how to control for some variable you have in a model. So we will start a new project. Exercise 2. Okay. Exercise 2. And then the data file you will import is the file I shared just now, controller. This file, controller. Can you open that file? Okay. 400 data set. We have 400 data set. Okay. When we create the model, we want to pick PLS-SEM and then exercise 2. PLS-SEM and exercise 2. Okay. So and then we click save. We are done now. So here we have two variables. Let me show you JS, which is job satisfaction. And we have OC, organizational commitment. And we want to connect them. So, okay. So we have these two variables, job satisfaction and organizational commitment. And we have a control variable called gender. Okay, control variable called gender. So how do you do that is just drag this and put it here. And this gender will be pointed to your dependent variable. Okay, to your dependent variable. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's how you do control variable in PLS. Okay. Doesn't matter PLS, SPSS, AMOS. They are all pointed at the endogenous construct. Okay. So the procedure is still the same. You run your PLS algorithm, check for all the AVE, CR, everything is okay. And when you report, you will report only this relationship. This is the only one you hypothesize. This control variable, there is no hypothesis for control variable. You just want to control the effect. Okay, so this is not part of your hypothesis. Only hypothesis you have is here. Okay, which is job satisfaction to organizational commitment. Yeah. Any questions on control variables? If your control variables are categorical, you need to do dummy coding, okay, in SPSS before you can convert your data. Okay, yeah. Any questions on the interpretation? When you report, you only report this relationship. This is not part of the reporting. Yes, any questions?
Prof, meaning that for control variable, the framework to be report is excluding the control variable, or
control variable is not part of your model. You just want to control the effect. So when you draw your model in chapter 2, you have only JS and OC. You don't have the gender in the model.
Okay, no, I mean, let's say with control variable and without control variable, when we compare the beta
You don't.
Oh, okay.
If you do that, I'm your examiner, you know what will happen.
Okay, thank you.
There's a lot of ajaran sesat lah. Control variable, you start writing in your literature review, saying that previous literature have control for A, B, and C. I will also control for that. And then when you report in your chapter number 4, you just report control variables were significant, not significant, that's it. But that is not part of your analysis. Your analysis is only to see the effect of this variable, not this. Okay? Yeah, you can. But the danger of using multiple control variable is the control variable also will take over the effect of your this variable. If you have many control variable, that will also take away of this effect, because now you have more arrows pointed here. Okay, they are fighting for this relationship, right? Okay.
Prof, before you